Hi, I'm Serena with Hunters Connect. Red dot or reflex sights have become increasingly popular over the last few years among pistol shooters for their accuracy, fast target acquisition, and rapid follow-up shots. Though it may seem a bit overwhelming, shopping for your first red dot, when it comes down to it, there aren't many variances across all the offerings. Main differences you'll find in sights are dot sizes, reticle styles, mount footprint, and overall size for full or compact pistols. When you first begin looking up options, you'll see each red dot has a certain footprint or mounting pattern. The most common footprints are the RMR, Delta Point Pro, and the RMS-C. If your slide isn't cut for the footprint of the optic you want, you can normally get different plates to convert from one style to the other. If you own a pistol that isn't optic ready and you're interested in trying a new sight out there, there are dovetail mounts made that slide right into your rear sights. Now moving on to selecting the right size MOA dot for your intended use. The process behind selecting a dot size is either you want higher precision at further distances or you want to hit faster moving targets at closer ranges. Generally, red dots with 3 MOA or less will be ideal if precision and precisely placed shots are the most important to you. Red dots with 4 MOA to 5 MOA are a safe middle option for fast shooting and precision. The most popular size for a pistol-mounted red dot sight is a 6 MOA reticle. The reason shooters select this option is because it's easy to acquire the red dot when you draw and look through the glass, which in turn is quicker target acquisition. This is the more common reticle size for everyday carry and law enforcement situations. Size is another important factor to consider. This, however, usually sorts itself out by the pistol you're equipping. You can see here with this lineup in front of me, there's 2 micro red dots made for the compact pistol, while the larger one is a great option for any full size. Let's talk battery life, a feature that shooters are often hesitant about. Rest assured, modern red dots won't have you switching batteries every year, or even having to switch them every 4 years. That's right. In front of me, the runtime on these sights is an outrageous 50,000 hours. That equates to over 5+ years of runtime. Other considerations are very feature-driven, like on-off options, brightness adjustments, multiple reticle choices, and motion activation. I hope this helps in your decision-making process for picking out your new red dot sight. Please feel free to leave a comment below with any questions. And thanks for watching Hunters Connect.